Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to delete full name in Microsoft Excel. So let's start. At first open your Excel document. Then show the name from the full name. This date from the full name. Now select from the full name. Now going to the home menu option. Now click for the find and select option. Now click for the replace option. Then show the replace final replace bar. Now keyboard press from the space. Now keyboard press from star. Now click for the replace all option. Now click for the OK. Now close from the replace option. Then show the delete from the show name in Excel. Now select from the all. Now select from the line. That's it. Then I show the delete show name in Microsoft Excel. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.